Here's the app called Speak Language Learning. So you can just tap Get in here and yeah, just double click to install it. Language learning app that gets you speaking. Learn 1,000 plus phrases in 7 days. Build your speaking confidence. Take lessons from language expert. Gamified practice scenario. Viral new language learning app focusing on improving your speaking abilities, powered by cutting-edge AI technology. Speak ensures that you gain fluency by engaging in real-life conversations, receiving instant feedback. So this is the idea. AI tutor provides personalized language feedback. So let's just open it up and tap to continue. And then, for example, what language you want to learn. So there is English, Spanish, French, Korean, Japanese, Italian. So, for example, English. What's your native language? All right, so then let's just select which I want to learn. French. And then you can just sign in like that. And then you can just find it like that. So just as an example, you're seeing here. So it's kind of very AI optimized. It's so then you can just in France. In November, zero. Beginner. So now it's creating a curriculum, and this is the idea. So it's speak. You can greet others, and then you can just start the video lesson.
Salut, moi c'est Alice.
That's kind of the idea. Then you can have just free talk, and then you just talk. That's the whole point of this app, that you have a lot of audio speaking, free talk guides, and then you just talk with it. So that's the idea. Then there is your profile. You can start free trial and voice recognition. There is your account, and yes, there are some streaks. So that's the idea in here. Pretty cool. There are challenges, and then you can just join in here. So that's the app.